Multiply 44 by 78 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Put 2 in this column and carry 3. 8 times 4 plus the carried 3 is 35. The first partial product is 352. Now use the tens digit, 7. Start one place to the left. 7 times 4 is 28. Put 8 in this column and carry 2. 7 times 4 plus the carried 2 is 30. The second partial product is 3080. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the tens column, 5 plus 8 is 13. Put 3 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 3 plus 0 plus the carried 1 is 4. In the thousands column, bring down 3. The product of the whole numbers is 3432. So 44 times 78 is 3432.